are here to speak on an important subject, the benefits of coding for kids. Let's start with understanding what coding is. Simply put, coding is how we communicate with the computers. While it is difficult to imagine a young brain learning something similarly complex, coding for kids is a reality in our school, thanks to SABS Coding for All initiatives. Our school teaches coding as a core subject for all grade schools. What are the benefits of this subject? One benefit of coding is the coders are in high demand. Close to 70% of all new STEM jobs are in computing. Yet, only about 10% of STEM graduates. That is a serious shortage of computer science majors.
Coding provides a competitive advantage when applying for jobs. If you possess a hard skill that many of your peers lack, such as the ability to code, you instantly appear more desirable in the eyes of potential employers. Plain and simple.
With coding knowledge, students understand the world around them better. Most of us don't know the first thing about what makes our smartphones, laptops, social media network, and video games run. Basic programming knowledge can change the way we interact with the technology we use and can open our eyes to infinite possibilities.
Coding is fun and satisfying, while programming is logic-based. It is also an extremely creative activity. If you do know how to code, you can develop apps, video games, websites, and more.
Coding improves creativity. When you learn a language, you use it to express yourself. The same is true with coding. Computer coding empowers kids to not only consume digital media and technology, but to create it. Instead of simply playing a video game or using an app, they can imagine making their own video games or envision what their own website and app might look like, and they'll have an outlet for expression.
Coding improves problem solving. When kids code, they take complex ideas and break them down into smaller parts. Kids learn what it's like to approach a problem the same way a software engineer does, with logical computational thinking. Computational thinking teaches you how to tackle large problems by breaking them down into a sequence of smaller, more manageable problems.
Coding improves persistence. Learning to code like any new discipline is a challenge. Coding teaches the valuable skill of persistence in the face of such challenges. Learning how to solve problems through research and collaboration is this highly desirable skill.
Coding improves collaboration. Joined by common interest in technology, kids meet to learn how to collaborate with their classmates.
Coding improves communication. Communication is an absolutely essential skill throughout school, work, and life. People who can clearly communicate complex ideas in simple terms can be successful in different industries and walks of life. When kids learn how to code, they learn how to communicate with the most simple-minded audience imaginable, computers. As mentioned, computer coding teaches kids how to break down complex ideas and arrange them in a way a computer can understand.
Steve Jobs was one of the most successful people to roam the earth, not because he was a supreme coder, but because he knew enough to communicate a vision and was also skilled in some other areas of human endeavors. In the end, kids and teens who want to capitalize on the abundance of computer science jobs in tomorrow's landscape should be taking coding classes today. Do join us next year for another informative episode of our Talkshow. Enjoy a fantastic day. Bye! Woo!